Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to look at a plugin for your Elastic system called the Complex Subscriber plugin. Now the idea of the Complex Subscriber plugin is for people that want to gather information from their customers. Let me show you what I mean. On our dummy website here we've got set up a Complex Subscriber form. In this case it's called newsletter and the page address is /newsletter. And you'll see this is what the Complex Subscriber is able to do. It can create a form with any number of fields that you like so that a user can enter that data. Now this might be handy to just collect basic information from a person. You might want them to sign up for a newsletter, but you need to gather their age or their gender or any other information. Perhaps you're running a weekend seminar and you'd like them to put in the choices of which seminar they're going to attend and things like that. So the Complex Subscriber gives you the flexibility to collect any type of data and any combination of data. And at the end of it, they can submit that data and you collect it and you've got access to that information. Now let me show you how we set this up. If I come to the dashboard of my site, you'll see on the left here under plugin features, because the Complex Subscriber is a plugin, is the Complex Subscriber option. First thing to do is to make sure your page layout is set up. You've got to choose the right layout so that your page looks nice when people are working on that page. I've used a one column layout here so that we've got plenty of space to fit all of our information in. Then we go to subscriber types. Now you can have an unlimited number of subscriber types. So here, this is our newsletter subscriber type that we've got already set up. But I'm actually going to add a new subscriber type. I'm going to call this one Contact. Actually, I'll call this Contact Us. So that's the name of the subscriber type. You could have newsletter 1, newsletter 2, newsletter 3, any number of combinations that you want. You can have as many subscriber types as you like. Now, you've got a couple of choices. You can leave these tick boxes blank, which just means you'll gather the information. Or you can make this a paid form, where people use predominantly PayPal, or you might use a payment gateway like eWay, and you can actually collect payments from people. So if this was going to be a paid newsletter or a paid report, you can set up a Complex Subscriber page to collect the payment for that. And you can put the amount in, free trial periods, whether it's recurring, how often it recurs, a few different things. Another important item here is this email verification. If you tick this box, when the person subscribes, they'll get an email sent to them with a link in it. Now they'll need to click that link to verify their email. If they click that link, it means that they have a valid email, and so you know that they've put in the correct details and they're not a spam bot or some other nefarious type of person. It's a legitimate way of checking the identity of somebody. Okay, now we're going to put in a few other details here. So this is for our Contact Us subscriber page. So I'm going to call the page Contact Us, or it could be Form 1, Newsletter 1, bookings, anything that you want. The page URL, I'm going to call it Contact Us. Okay, so that'll be the /Contact Us. Okay. Now page content, sidebar 1, sidebar 2. This is what allows you to put some information on the page. Because each Complex Subscriber form has its own page. Scrolling down, we've got a few other pieces of information here. This confirmation text. This is the text that gets displayed after the user subscribes. So when the person comes to your form, fills out their information and clicks the subscribe button, another page is displayed and it shows this information here. So you might have your contact details, you might have information about their booking. If you were selling an ebook, you could even have a link to the ebook or the video or whatever it is that you're selling at this point. Now the confirmation email box, when the person subscribes, they get an email from the system saying, thank you, you've subscribed. And the text here in this box goes into that email. So I'm just going to copy that. And this one is going to be information that gets emailed after subscribing. Great, and that's it. So that's our form set up now. We've got a subscriber type, we've got the page title, the page URL, the content that's going to go on the page, our confirmation text, our confirmation email, and I'm going to save that. And of course it didn't save.